Christmas, a time for giving, sharing, and eating.
For Christmas, I'm gonna cook some curry goat for my wife, white rice, and I'm gonna cook some banana and yam.
Pork and fish or chicken or some goat for the family.
Nutritionist Dr. Joy Calendar says during this time, persons taking at least 3,000 calories each day, when the daily intake should be no more than 2,000.
We have to watch the sugars. And when I say sugars, I'm talking about the sugars in the special Christmas treat. It's the fruit cake, it's the desserts, it's the sorrel. Sorrel is one of the most amazing drink from a health perspective. That red color, but you put a lot of sugar in sorrel. So watch the amount that you take in.
She explains what your plate should look like.
And if you look at a plate, and a plate should, I'm talking about a 9-inch plate. The average household plate is bigger than that. But let's say a quarter of that would be protein, whether it's chicken or fish or curried goat. A quarter of that should be good carbs with fiber. And the rest of your plate really ought to be vegetables and fruit. Now, traditionally, we don't put fruit in the plate, but the plate is more symbolic than anything else. So fruit should be there.
The nutritionist is advising persons not to skip meals. She says this can lead to excess hunger, and excess hunger leads to excess eating.
If you are having a special meal, don't wait on dinner and be starving. Try to have a wholesome snack before, whether it's fruit, a bit of nuts, some cheese, a yogurt, milk, something like that, so that you're not starving. Because avoiding eating in order to eat everything is usually a disaster.
But if you think you have had too much, don't worry. Try to eat healthy meals onwards. Also, try to get in some exercise. With your health report, I'm Shamela Pullen wishing you good health. The